here in Zirahuen, Michoacan. If you've ever heard of that, that's just the center part of Mexico, right in the center. Here at Zirahuen, there's a cabin resorts, really. Cabañas, Rincón de Zirahuen. This is what we found. Amazing people hosting this place, amazing place to be. So why don't we check it out? This cabin is actually built for 22 people, so you can literally come and spend Christmas here with your family. It's like huge, and it's called Jacarandas. That's where we're at. Why don't you follow me and I'll show you around. It's just gorgeous. We have the dining room here. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous deck. I don't think I've ever seen such a big deck before. Check this out. Is it one of the best views you have ever seen? This is a great place to grill, has its little seating, and you could just be here. We actually did a meditation this morning. It was awesome. And yeah, you got your dining room, you have your living room. There's like a master bed over here. It does have its very own bathroom. Another bathroom right over here. There's this beautiful kitchen, which we obviously already used, as you can see. And you do have this hallway, which is gonna take you somewhere magical, I promise. Check this out. Look at that. Look at the top of this place. Look at these stairs. Going up the stairs, we're gonna actually find a few bedrooms up here. There's this beautiful bedroom, and it does have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. So amazing place. There's this bathroom just for this bedroom. It has beautiful big windows. Up to 8 people in this room. It has like double windows. You could just see this gorgeous view where you have the lake of Zirahuen right in front of you. We do have another bedroom right over here. This is just a smaller bedroom, 2 beds. Obviously has its own bath again. And we can see this view, just gorgeous, right in front of the lake. I cannot tell you what it was like waking up here. This is a beautiful view. You've got to agree with that. Everywhere you see, you just see nature, and that's gorgeous. And this, I would say, is like the room I slept in. 4 beds, I'd say up to 8 people again. And this view, I slept here. And just check it out. You get to wake up, see the sunrise, and start the day just being here. I'm pretty sure you and your family would love it here, so hey, why don't you come over and enjoy this? And hey, it doesn't stop there. Here at Cabañas Rincón de Zirahuen, you guys actually get to go ahead and hand pick your own eggs for breakfast. So I thought that was an amazing experience. They're delicious, 0 harm, so they do take care of their chickens. It's a very eco-friendly environment, so I just love valuing them. Very thankful for that. Let's go get some eggs.
As a kid, I used to live out by a lake. Lightning bugs collecting sticks and secret handshakes.
Oh
I
God.
was invincible then. My heart so pure I had no fear.
And here's the very last one.
And those were the years that I hold so dear.
Not only that, but as you see here, we have some lemons, and all over this place, all over the cabins, and you're gonna find all these different trees. So lemon trees, blackberries, banana, coffee trees, peaches I heard, I haven't seen those yet, eucalyptus, and just a huge variety. So maybe you're just taking a walk and you're gonna need yourself one of these, feel free to take one. So cool about that. That's part of how sustainable this place is, and part of the mission of our friends here at Cabañas Rincón de Zirahuen.
Do you ever think about the time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time far enough, I know that I would find you.
Guys, also check this out. This space I've been telling you guys about is actually family-owned business. Super safe. There's a guard at the entrance. There's an electric gate. Nobody gets in without the host letting you in. So it's beautiful how safe it is, how wonderful the environment is. So go ahead and check these guys out. Cabañas Rincón de Zirahuén. Beautiful time with the family, summer activities, and yeah, great time to enjoy all around the year.
'Cause it felt so right having you by my side. I would never waste your time or mine. Do you ever think about that time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars above. If I go back in time for enough, I know that I would find you.
Guys, it was a pleasure showing you this beautiful cabin in Zirahuen, Cabañas Rincón de Zirahuén, and this video is presented to you by Presume Tu Mexico. So go ahead and follow our channel on YouTube, and we'd love to share more and more of Mexico's beautiful spots with you guys. Thanks.